This 2025 Winnebago Navion 24T is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Mod Allure 2 interior, sleeps 3, slide-out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk-over cab, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2025 Winnebago Navion 24T is built on a Mercedes-Benz RWD Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.